so it's not so loud. It's beautiful. I really wish, like, I mean, obviously it comes out nice. It's gorgeous, but it does no justice. Doesn't it? Where was it that Isaiah and Bob went up? I know it was through here somewhere. Oh, zooming the wrong way. How do you like it?
I like it.
You like it a lot?
Mm-hmm. I just wish we had more money. I could have bought something a little fancier.
Oh yeah. What did I just do? Zoomed in. Why do I always do that? There we go. I'm trying to get a picture of the back seats. I like it a lot. And that's this plow. Oh my gosh, this seat buckle. I'm so tired. I'm ready for bed. Oh my god. In spite of chill weather, love any old time. I can't wait to be home. Little Christmas tree.
Well, I got 2 new straps anyway.
Oh yeah.
2 brand new straps that plow was.
Yeah, that's good. Well, I was a cute with the bow. I didn't get that one either. So here's the truck that we ended up finally getting after we broke down on Sunday. And then yesterday was Tuesday. We turned around and finally got it. They took the plow off their front for us and they loaded it in the back so we wouldn't have to drive almost 4 hours. We thought it was going to be almost 3 hours. Well, it was almost 4 hours. But it is really nice. I don't know if you can see in there, but I got to get going because of school. Alright, but anyways, that's the inside as you saw yesterday. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Alright, so I know we didn't really vlog much on the way down to get the truck yesterday, but that is simply because it was a long day and I'm sick. As you can probably tell, I don't look very good, but I'm just sick and I felt almost like I had a slight flu. Not stomach bug, but just like cold chills, sweats, feverish, and I don't know, I just feel my body aches a little bit. So anyways, on the way down I didn't feel good. I was kind of nauseous, and so it was a long drive. It was almost like 4 hours just to get there, and then like another, I'd say 3.5 to get back. It was a long drive, almost 8 hours worth of being in a vehicle yesterday. So anyways, we did end up getting the truck. We were pretty happy, so we got a lot of road footage, but it was so dark that I couldn't really show much other than the inside of the truck. I couldn't go outside and show every part of the truck because we were in the car dealership and it was a little awkward. We did tell them that we were going to put it on YouTube, but we didn't we didn't tell them that we were going to go out and take footage right on their lots. So anyways, I took some, I went around the truck a little bit this morning, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, even though it's a little here and there. It's just a little scattered just because I couldn't take much. I mean, we literally just drove the whole day, so it's not like we did much of anything else. We didn't even go out to eat until on the way home. We went and got takeout. Like, it was really quick, and we ate in the truck because we didn't want to have to stop anywhere. We had to get back, and I had to run down to 4-H at the last minute. I was half an hour or so late for 4-H, so that kind of stunk. But anyways, I'm going to be uploading my Christmas video, and then I'll be putting this video up, and the other video where we run out of gas. Yeah, it was hilarious, or at least we thought it was. It's a lesson learned, that's for sure. He always ran his tank on empty, and I shouldn't say always. He would cut it close, but I think he learned his lesson. He said he did, and it's first time for everything. It's how you learn from your mistakes. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great day.